Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a community engagement strategy with Facebook, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by defining your community's purpose and goals. Identify the key demographics of your target audience on Facebook. Conduct research to understand their interests, preferences, and online behaviors. Choose the right Facebook group format, whether public, closed, or secret. Create a compelling group name that reflects your community's theme. Craft an informative and engaging group description. Clearly outline the rules and guidelines for group members. Set up a content calendar to organize and schedule posts. Plan engaging activities such as polls, discussions, and live Q&A sessions. Encourage member participation through prompts and challenges. Utilize Facebook's features, such as events and announcements, to boost engagement. Monitor group activity regularly to ensure positive interactions. Respond promptly to member inquiries and comments to foster a sense of community. Analyze engagement metrics regularly to assess what types of content resonate most. Adjust your strategy based on feedback and analytics insights. Collaborate with community members to create user-generated content. Highlight member contributions to build a sense of belonging. Regularly revisit your community goals and adapt as necessary. Celebrate milestones and successes together to reinforce community spirit. Keep communication transparent and open to build trust among members. Continuous improvement will enhance your community engagement strategy over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.